Meanwhile, Stephen Shaw provided an update on the seemingly never-ending rehabilitation of the Spanish Town Road.
Ideally, what we really want to do is to do similar work along Spanish Town Road to that which we have done along the Mandela. That is going to take some time. We have been having those discussions with our bosses, and we are hopeful that something will happen in that regard. Yes, but these things do take time. I mean, when we did Washington Boulevard, when we widened Dunrobin, for example, not so long ago, I mean, generally those plans, I'm told, were there from about 1969, and they came to fruition. When was it? In the 2000s.
Now we need to do better in terms of the turnover.
We would love to be doing much better, but that better is going to happen in the context of us either being in a position to borrow the money or to finance it ourselves, as is the case with the road that is to be built in Montego Bay, the Montego Bay bypass.